Now, most people will have heard of blade servers or rack mount servers, but you may or may not have heard about modular servers. Modular servers are a little bit different because typically our traditional applications are built to run on a single server. Or you may virtualize that server and run many different applications on that single server. So that server has a ton of horsepower and a ton of memory so that we can take 150 physical servers and virtualize them and put them on one single server and get a lot of consolidation and get the most use out of that platform. But there's other applications such as online content, gaming, mobile applications, IoT applications that are actually made to break up one application and run it across multiple servers. And that's actually where the UCS M-Series or modular server comes in. It's built so that you can get the most out of a platform, because some of these applications, if you actually look at how utilized the PCI bus is or the network adapter is or the hard drives are, they may not be utilized. They might be at 20% across multiple servers. So what we can do is consolidate multiple servers on the same chassis. So these servers are basically cartridges that share local resources on that individual server. And with our third generation virtual interface card, or VIC, we can actually extend the UCS fabric to within the server. And this gives us a modular design where we have the ability to scale out much more for these applications that you want to spread across multiple servers. It also saves us on cost and power because we're not rebuying a chassis every time we want to add a new server. We're just plugging the compute and the memory into the server and reusing the same chassis. So in a cloud type environment, you could scale this to unbelievable numbers. And if you think about it, disk drives, power supplies, fans, interface cards, PCI assemblies actually occupy about 2/3 of the real estate within a server. So with this type of architecture, we can take advantage of that real estate over and over again just by inserting more cartridges into that server. So the UCS M-Series or Modular Series server was built for things like web serving, online content delivery, enterprise grid, or dedicated hosting. And it's something that you need to know about for the Data Center CCNA exam. Please join me for the next lesson, 1.6, Examining the Physical Components of UCS.